Happy autumn from New York loves fall. And greetings from Central Park. That is the iconic Bow Bridge on a very special day. Today is October 31st, Halloween, the day of New York City's annual Village Halloween Parade, celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. And fall foliage tends to line up with peak colors around the same time as the Village Halloween Parade and the New York City Marathon. Always try to make my way over and enjoy the colors. Now don't forget, different trees change colors at different times. So if you're coming closer towards Thanksgiving, you might still see some colors. But this is generally peak color. And a great day to cross Bow Bridge. It is the 7th week of autumn colors for the Empire State. New York tends to get about 9 or 10 weeks of color. This being week 7, you can see there's still some color to be had. Look at that tree. The way it changes colors like an ice cream cone. Okay, let's walk out a bit more. And this will bring us to the area known as the Rambles, where you can see even more beautiful color. And now as I walk over Bow Bridge, absolutely beautiful. Long Island is next to have their peak autumn colors. Probably the last region for the state would be Long Island. So if you're planning to see Albany and such, they've probably already experienced peak color by now. All right, and that's our walk over Bow Bridge, Central Park, New York City on Halloween. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoy.